Welcome to the part 2, Beyond Boundaries. You are watching Timeline of the Universe. Quantum fluctuations built up singularity. During inflationary epoch, universe expanded rapidly. After 380,000 years, universe cooled down so that the bond between electron and proton could be possible. After 400,000 years, massive cosmos, stars, moons came into being, and still the universe is expanding. Dark matter is one of the reasons for expansion of the universe. Do you know? All of the universe that we in cameras can see, our laboratory sensors can feel and interpret, the galaxies we know, the stars we see, are just 25% of the universe. The rest 75% is dark matter to which our any scientific apparatus could not interact. Strange and furious. You may be living beside ghosts, with whom you can't netwalk. If you want me to explain dark matter in detail, leave me a comment. You may wonder actually, how vast is universe? Any clues? It's 93 billion light years. Light year is the distance traveled by the light in 1 year, and light travels astonishing 3 lakh kilometers in just a second. Astonishing. Is it still expanding? At the rate of 67.5 kilometers per second per megaparsec. Which means 2 particles 1 megaparsec away are moving 67.5 kilometers away from each other in 1 second. So, could you just imagine vastness of the universe? Turn to next question. Is universe infinite? No. You see, if it started from singularity and is expanding, it must have a boundary. And this the shape of the universe. If you start from one point, you will the same point after billion of years. But wait. If the universe has boundary, what's beyond that boundary? The question is again indecent, there is no space beyond the boundary. Remember, I said before. Have heard about multiverse theory?
Cosmic expansion happening more than once. When inflation occurred immediately after the Big Bang, it happened in multiple places. This caused separate universe bubbles to inflate, and in some cases, certain types of matter would have ended up in one bubble rather than another.
Okay, I will explain that simple. Like our bubble of universe, there are many other bubbles. So do you know, what's beyond that boundary? The burst of inflation was eternal. When universe was cooling, not one but many universes were formed of it. Each with their own different rules, their gravitational constant, their own Planck's constant. Okay, ever heard about parallel universe? There are memes on it. And you are topper in that one. Ha. Sorry if you mind it. A quantum particle is a wave prior to observation, a blend of every possible quantum state. Upon surveillance, it stipulates one of the possible state. So as a consequence of choices it make, our perceived universe branches into near infinite alternatives. It's like, you got 2 options, whether you go to a Sunday party or not. The universe starts splitting upon your choices made, and you have a different version of yourself in parallel universe. It's like you create your own world. Suppose, you are invited to a party, and you go there. Now there are 2 choices, you prefer lunch or snacks. And on the other half, if you don't go, you again have choices, whether you sleep or study. You see, your choices has split the universe, and every one of you is present, in the real time. That's what the quantum says. So in parallel world, you may have won the lottery. But sorry. That money can't be put here. Must be with future technology. Ever happened that? You are experiencing an event in your life, and you feel, I have gone through this before. Wow. It happens with all. And it's called déjà vu. It's the overlap between the 2 universes. When experiencing déjà vu, you are vibrating in unison with parallel universe. Now, I have a question for you. If the universe is expanding, will it erstwhile contract? Thank you for watching. Comment if you want Hindi version of the video. Take care.